Mangal Pandey's defiance. A powerful scene at Barakpur, India, showing Mangal Pandey standing defiantly in front of British officers, holding a musket. The backdrop features the 34th Bengal Native Infantry Barracks and an air of tension, with sepoys around him looking on. The atmosphere is charged with emotion as Pandey faces the inevitable consequences of his rebellion. The Enfield rifle controversy. A close-up of the Enfield P-53 rifle with the infamous grease cartridges beside it. The cartridges are partially open, revealing the controversial grease, while sepoys look on with concern and anger. The scene conveys their shock and betrayal over the alleged use of animal fat. Mangal Pandey's martyrdom. Mangal Pandey, standing on the gallows at dawn, faces fate with unwavering courage, as British officers and soldiers watch. His image is bathed in the golden light of the rising sun, symbolizing his sacrifice for freedom of India. The somber faces of local people watching from a distance reflect the reverence and respect they have for his actions. The spark of rebellion. A dramatic portrayal of Indian sepoys across the country rising in rebellion after Mangal Pandey's execution. The scene shows sepoys in various uniforms from different regions rallying together with weapons in hand, with the Indian subcontinent's map subtly visible in the background. Fire and smoke from distant battlefields hint at the growing unrest. Rani Lakshmibai leading the charge. A regal and powerful image of Rani Lakshmibai on horseback, sword in hand, leading her troops into battle during the revolt of 1857. She wears traditional armor, her face fierce with determination. The backdrop features the fort of Jhansi with smoke rising from a nearby battlefield, showing the intensity of the conflict. The Siege of Delhi. A sweeping, intense battle scene set in Delhi, with Indian rebels fiercely fighting British soldiers around the Red Fort. Smoke and gunfire fill the air as sepoys and rebels wielding swords, spears, and muskets clash with the well-equipped British forces. The majestic Red Fort looms in the background as a symbol of Indian resistance. Nana Sahib and Tantia Tope strategizing. Nana Sahib and Tantia Tope sitting in a war council, planning their next move against the British forces during the revolt of 1857. The room is filled with maps, military plans, and sepoys gathered around in anticipation. The atmosphere is serious, reflecting the gravity of the rebellion. The legacy of Mangal Pandey. A serene and evocative scene of a statue of Mangal Pandey being unveiled in a public square, surrounded by a crowd of Indian citizens from different walks of life. The people are paying homage, with flowers in hand, symbolizing his enduring legacy as a hero and martyr in India's struggle for independence.